Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll take a little bit of liberty. Please take a deep breath because we need to clap from now on. Without, of course, prompting from my side. So kindly take it in the sporting spirit. It was just in a lighter vein. We'll first of all start with the mementos and certificates for the industry awards to the different companies who have won the awards today. I would request Dr. Gary Patton to kindly do the honors for this. Kindly move on to the left-hand side, sir. Best Electronics Manufacturing Company. The award has gone to Centum Electronics Limited. I would request our friends from Centum Electronics Limited, the Best Electronics Manufacturing Company Award. Mementos and certificates being given away by Dr. Gary Patton. Congratulations. Most Promising Startup Company. The award has gone to Nanosniff Technologies Private Limited. Congratulations to Nanosniff Technologies Private Limited. The Most Promising Startup Company. They need more encouragement. The startups require more encouragement. Congratulations. And we have 3 companies bagging the Most Innovative Product Awards. Greentronics Design Labs India Private Limited. Most Innovative Product. Greentronics Design Labs India Private Limited. Congratulations to Greentronics and the entire team for the Most Innovative Product. This would add to more responsibilities of moving towards more innovation. Lanco Solar Energy Private Limited. Congratulations to Lanco. We have 3 companies bagging the Most Innovative Product Awards. Lanco Solar Energy Private Limited. Most Innovative Product after Lanco Solar Energy Private Limited, I would like to request our friends from Tejas Networks Limited. Congratulations to Tejas. So congratulations to Centum Electronics, Nanosniff Technologies, Greentronics, Lanco Solar Energy, and Tejas Networks Limited. Congratulations. We now move on to the next set of awards for academic awards. I would request Dr. Martin Scott to kindly do the honors for the next 3 set of awards. Techno Inventor Masters Award. This consists of a memento, certificate, and demand draft of 50,000. Techno Inventor Masters Award has gone to Mr. Prasanna R. Prasanna. Congratulations to Prasanna R. Techno Inventor. I would now request Techno Inventor PhD thesis. The award has gone to Dr. Sajal Dhara. He is not present today. On his behalf, Mr. Arnab Bhattacharya will receive the award. This also consists of a demand draft for 50,000, mementos, and certificate. And after the Techno Inventor Awards, now it's the time for Techno Mentor Award. The award has gone to Dr. Pallab Dasgupta. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Pallab Dasgupta. The demand draft worth rupees 1 lakh. And a memento and a certificate being given away by Dr. Martin Scott. Thank you very much and congratulations. We now move on to the individual awards. These awards will be presented by Dr. Martin Scott, Dr. Gary Patton, and Dr. Satya Gupta. And Techno Visionary Award. I would request all of you for the next 3 awards. They are all individual awards. I would request all of you to kindly stand up and clap for the next 3 awards. Professor S.V. Raghavan. Put your hands together for Professor S.V. Raghavan. Congratulations, Professor Raghavan, for winning the Techno Visionary Award. It also carries a demand draft for 2 lakhs. We are not going to let you go, Professor Raghavan. We kindly express your feelings in a few words.
Thank you. I feel humbled by this award, and I also understand the tremendous responsibility I have to shoulder from now on as a result of this award. And I would like to thank my family, my wife who is here, and my children who helped me do whatever I did. And I would like to thank the Government of India, which has given me excellent opportunities right through my life to achieve whatever I could achieve in this space so that you could recognize. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now it is the IESA Technovation Sarabhai Award. This award will also be presented by Dr. Martin Scott, Dr. Gary Patton, and Dr. Satya Gupta. And the award has gone to Shri Sanjay Nayak. Put your hands together. Shri Sanjay Nayak, Sarabhai. The name itself instills a sense of motivation in every Indian's mind. And this IESA Technovation Sarabhai Award has gone to Shri Sanjay Nayak. We request Shri Sanjay to say a few words, please.
First of all, thank you very much. I'm deeply humbled and honored, especially because this award comes from a peer group whom I've worked over the last 20-25 years, so it means a lot. Secondly, I think if I look at it from an industry perspective, we are at a very decisive moment in our country's history in terms of ESDM. And what I think we all collectively will do, given the opportunities which are presented, will possibly play it out over the next 15 to 20 years. And we hope that what we do will be something that we can all feel proud about. And lastly, I do want to thank all my colleagues at Tejas. I can see Kumar and many others who actually gave me a platform to actually build Tejas as one of the few companies where we could say that from India we could build world-class technology, world-class products, and really give the confidence that anything that we as industry and individual and entrepreneurs aspire to do will absolutely be able to do. So again, I'm very, very thankful and really appreciate this.
Thank you very much. We have one more award in the IESA Technovation Sarabhai Award, and I would request Shri Ajay Chaudhary to kindly come over and receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Shri Ajay. Dr. Martin Scott, Dr. Gary Patton, and Dr. Satya Gupta will do the honors. Tremendous achievement, Shri Ajay Chaudhary. Congratulations on behalf of IESA. We request you to say a few words, sir.
Well, I would like to thank the whole industry because in 2009, when the government asked me to chair the task force for ESDM, I got phenomenal support from pretty much every association. But I would definitely like to single out ISA. And I think ISA really stood behind me in making that report happen. And I do believe that there is tremendous future for what we have planned in that report. And now it's been adopted by the government as part of its electronics policy. And I'm sure that it puts a huge bunch of responsibility on all of us for taking forward what we recommended ourselves. So I think thank you once again to all of you. And I think I'd like to work with all of you with renewed vigor, especially with what you have done today, so that we can ensure that we are all very successful in the area of ESDM. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shri Ajay Chaudhary. And we would also like to thank the audience for giving a standing ovation. Kindly take your seats. Thank you very much. And also the dignitaries for doing the honors. We have a couple of mementos to be given away, a few mementos before we all head straight to the dinner table. And these mementos, first of all, to the IESA Technovation jury members, and the mementos will be given away by Mr. Sanjeev Keska. I would like to call upon the panel, jury panel.